Alright. So, we got us unboxing. Now, this is not my sword. This is a repair slash sharpening commission from the one and only Katana Karl. And not only that, this ain't just any sword. This is his Feilong Kotai, I believe the model is. And, I mean, if you don't know, Feilong makes a fucking excellent fucking katana. Like, I mean, among production stuff, they are about as good as it gets. Let me put away my cold steel here, courtesy of Backyard Samurai back in the day. Very nicely wrapped, Karl. Got the bubble wrap and the styrofoam. Just like when I unboxed the Higo back in the day. It's a lot later than I expected. Let's see what we got here. Ooh-wee. Now this ain't just any sword. This is his go-to for all things katana. He usually trains with I mean, if he put his mind to it, he'd outcut me all day long. And he's got me beat on form fucking by leaps and bounds. And has me on probably at least a solid decade or two. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I like this Tsukaito. Very reminiscent of the Higo, actually. Very, very nice Koiguchi fit. Very, very oiled. Wow, I can see why you dig this katana, man. And Feilong does a killer job on their edges. I can barely even see. Yeah, I can't even see the damage without a magnifier. But let's see here. I've got my paper handy, but man, this is really. It's light, but it's got some oomph to it. Like, I could see why you like it. It's a little thick Suka for me. I like my Suka to have my ring finger be able to touch my palm, but I would imagine that that does that for Karl. It's got a really nice edge on it. It's about to have a much, much nicer edge, though. Yeah, I'm very excited. This is fucking cool. It's not every day when you get to repair a very, very good sword friend's fucking not sword friend, dude. You're my friend, bro. Fucking of a good friend's katana. I like this blade. This is made for cutting flesh. Has some really nice distal taper. You see the Suba there. It's got some longer Manuki. That Tsukaito is very nicely wrapped. I'm fucking impressed. I like it. A little late on that, but even though there's no bow here, it's a nice Tachikaze. So, what I'm going to do is clean the oil off, locate the damage, tape it off, repair the damage, reprofile as needed, try and maintain as much Niku and steel on the blade as possible. And Karl will be getting back a fucking demon laser scalpel in like a week or so. So, yeah. I'm really impressed though, man. This feels really good in hand. Like, this would be a good one to take into battle. So, that's about all I got for now. It's a really nice Saya, too. They seem to have improved their Saya in recent years. Ooh, that's like on rails, bro. That's smooth sailing. Alright, wow. So, that's Karls' go-to katana. And I'm going to go to finding and repairing the damage. So that's about all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. And, I don't know. Worship the devil and do hard drugs. Peace.